Hi there, I'm Cher Johnston. Welcome to my channel. Today, I've been very inspired by some junk journal videos I've been watching, and I want to make some what are they called? Clusters, snippets for some junk journaling. I have these. I don't know if you can even see. I stamped little flowers on them, and I don't like them. They're not. You can't really see. So I'm going to use the back because I have these little tiny pieces of fabric. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of lace on top, and then I'm just going to do a few stitches. This one, I think I'm just going to put I'm just going to do some stab stitches, some straight stitches. This um, this lace is so pretty that I'm just gonna. Oh, that was the back. I'm just going to tack it down, and I may do this off camera. Well, I'm going to do it on camera, but I may or may not show you. Depends on how long it takes. Okay, I'm not sure when my phone went dead, but it did. I filmed all this or wait, was it this one? One of the two. I was making it, and when I went to show it to the camera, I looked and it was dead. So I have some pink thread. I think this is 2 strands of DMC stranded cotton. We're just going to do a couple little, I don't know, little tiny little flowers. So I was watching Sara Anderson. I'll put a link to her channel in the description. She has like this, or she did these clusters, and she has like I don't know, like a recipe that she follows. Okay, one corner, we're going to do a corner, and then she put another piece of paper. I have, hold on, excuse my reach. I have lots and lots of I have lots of fabric, is what I have. And I have lots of pieces that I've cut. Okay, so I found this. I can use this too. I should do this on camera. I should show you how I did this on camera. Now, if you have fabric that's cut on the bias, like the threads go this way and this way, well, if you cut it at an angle, you get this nice frayed effect. So if you want your fabric to fray, just cut it like at an angle. I'm going to fray this. I'm going to take this little guy. I'm going to get some pink. This is, my granddaughter picked this out for a Lolita dress. One thing that I like about having fabric snippets, little pieces of fabric, sometimes they have a meaning behind them. This one does. She asked me for the dress, I think because she knew I would really enjoy making it, and I did. It's a lot of fun. All right, I'm going to glue that down. And these are little watercolor paintings that I did. And there's some, I have some pieces that I'm not going to sew them down. I'm going to just glue them down because I don't know, just because that needs a piece of this. No, this. I just love it. You can barely see the little stitches, but I do really like it a lot. And this one I might not need. I like this, but I don't like that orange there. Well, all right. Okay, let's glue these down. Thought I'd turn the camera back on. I have this, why is it when I turn the camera on, my words don't come? They elude me. This is chiffon organza. It's organza, what it is. And I made this one here. I just glued it down. But I had to put a clip on it. And then I decided that this is going to go, let's go back down to the back. This is going to go underneath this little guy. And maybe I should have used green. But that looks good. But let's do, I just love ribbon. I love the way it looks. You can just do a straight stitch with ribbon. And look, it's just adorable. I should get some green ribbon or some green thread. I love pink and green together. I was watching Willow Wanders the other day. She's talking about color, and those are her two favorite colors, and they are mine as well. I love pink, and I love pink with green, and I love purple, and I love turquoise with purple. Anyway, so that looks okay. And maybe I'm not going to stitch the back down because I'm going to use my glue. I'm going to glue this onto here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Here's Mitzi. You want my lap? Okay. Why don't you sit there while I finish? You can sit there quietly while I finish, huh? I have my Fabri-Tac. This stuff, when it gets old, it's gloopy. It's stringy and gloopy, and oh, the boss needs some attention. I don't know if you can hear her purring. She's in my lap. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little snippets or clusters, snippets, whatever. Kind of cute, huh? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.